Learn English, kitchen conversation.
Mom, even though I cook every day, my potatoes are never as tasty as yours. Can you teach me step by step today?
Of course. Pay close attention. First, boil these potatoes and cut them into pieces. But don't make them too small, or they won't taste good.
Okay. Now the oil is hot. What do I add first?
First, put in some mustard seeds and wait for them to pop. Then add pandan leaves, curry leaves, and onions. See that turmeric powder? Add a little bit to get a beautiful color.
Mom, last time I tried this, the onions got burnt.
That's why you need patience. Don't use too much heat. Now, add the potatoes and stir. Now, here is the secret. Check the salt before you add the chili flakes.
Oh, I thought I should add salt after the chili. It smells so good now, Mom. I'm getting hungry already.
Just a little longer. Finally, add 2 drops of lime juice. Then your potato dish will be perfect. See, now my daughter knows how to cook.
Thanks, Mom. I think Dad will be very surprised when he tastes this today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, bye-bye.